Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the PowerPoint app and making sure your device is online. Once installed, open it and tap Sign In. Use your Microsoft email or phone number. If you don't have an account, choose Create One and follow the prompts to set a password and recovery info. Make sure to allow storage and notifications so files save correctly. After signing in, the app will sync basic settings. This prepares the app for creating and saving presentations immediately. Once signed in, verify your account with the code sent to your email or phone. This secures access. Next, decide whether to use the free tier versus Microsoft 365. The subscription unlocks templates and extra storage. Make sure to connect OneDrive now because it enables auto-save and cross-device access. You can also tweak profile details and sync preferences in settings. After connecting cloud storage, tap New Presentation to confirm that saving works and that your default template loads without delay. You finish by creating a new presentation and choosing a template. Add text, images, and transitions as needed. Make sure auto-save is enabled and save the file to OneDrive so edits sync across devices. To share, tap Share, enter an email, and set permissions. If something goes wrong, like sign-in errors, first check your internet, then clear the app cache or sign out and sign back in. If needed, reset your password. These steps usually resolve common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.